In this video, I will cover how to properly format an APA citation for a scholarly journal. Let's start off with where to find all the elements of our citation. Using the library databases to find a source, you can access the detailed record. This record has all the information you will need to create the citation. Once you have done your research and found an article, click on the title to get the detailed record. On this page, you'll find all the information you need for the citation. First is the full title, followed by the author or authors. Next comes the name of the journal, the volume number, issue number, and page numbers. The final piece of information needed is at the bottom of the page. This is the DOI, which is the Digital Object Identifier. This is a number that is unique to the source and will link directly to the article. Now that we have all the elements, we can start to build the citation. The first element, as with all APA citations, will be the author. The author or authors will be listed last name first with initials for the first and middle names. You must list all of the authors as they are listed on the source. The second to last and last authors will be separated by an ampersand. The author element will end with a period. The date of publication will follow. This element will be in parentheses and should include the whole date as listed on the source. In the examples, you will see some that have the day, month, and year, and some will only have the year and month. This element will end with a period on the outside of the parenthesis. The next element will be the title of the article. In the title, only the first word of the subtitle, and any proper nouns will be capitalized. Notice in the second entry there is proper noun and it will be capitalized. In the third entry, you will see that the first word of the subtitle is capitalized. The title element will end with a period unless the title itself ends with a different punctuation, such as a question mark or exclamation point. The name of the journal and its accompanying information will follow the title. In addition to the journal name, you will include the volume number, issue number, and page numbers. The journal name and volume number will be in italics, and they will be separated by a comma. The issue number will follow and be in parentheses. Notice there will not be a space between the volume number and the issue number. A comma will follow, and then you will list the page numbers and end with a period. Make note that APA does not use any abbreviations to identify the volume, issue, or page numbers. Finally, we will end the citation with the Digital Object Identifier. If there is no DOI, you will list the URL. If the source is in print, then you will not include this element. When ending the citation with the DOI or URL, do not end with a period as this will change the DOI or URL. The citation is now complete.